welcome to my channel. I hope you're staying safe and doing your best to stay sane during these times. I'm coming to you today with a review of the Stevie Outre unit. This is a full synthetic wig, but you will be surprised when you receive it. The color, the highlight, I am just in awe. So it comes attached with some care directions. Here you can see a guide on how to take care of the hair, how to prolong it, what it can withstand, the temperatures and all that good stuff. So let's just get right into the video. So this is my first impression. The first time I'm opening the box, feeling the hair. I've never ordered this before or ordered from Outre, but I wanted to go with a synthetic option because you know what? It's not all the time we want to be wearing human hair. Sometimes you just want a wig real quick to go out, go on vacation, something that you don't have to style every single day, you know. One thing I love about synthetic wigs is that they come styled already. And so, you know, you get it wet, you go outside in the rain, you don't have to straighten it again, you don't have to curl it again. It's going to maintain its shape. So here you can see how flowy it is. I'm very satisfied with how it feels. The color, the highlights, how it just blends right in. And look at that bounce, you guys. I will leave the details in the description box, but this is the inside of the wig. So it's very breathable, not heavy at all. So easily a summer wig. You won't get too hot with this on top of your head if you do tend to overheat wearing wigs. This is the middle part, so it has that mesh going down the middle. You could turn to a side part, you know, just take it off and wear it to the side. Do you, boo. Customize it. That's what synthetic is for. It doesn't cost too much money, so if you cut it up, you mess it up, it's fine. So this is just me showing you my finger going through the hair because it is extremely breathable, yet it's thick. It's not thin, and that's one thing I really do like about this hair. I do not like thin hair. I got a big head. I cannot have thin hair. So the color, I'm just showing this again. There's no sharp line of demarcation. It just flows from the dark root, giving that ombre effect. You see that they put a highlight in the front to frame the face. So here I am dunking the wig in water because I want to see how the hair does after it's wet. So this is synthetic, right? So I'm doing everything I can to see, okay, what can this withstand? Dunked it in some water just to see how it'll turn out, if it'll change the texture. So far it feels great, no knots. I have not encountered any shedding yet. My hand is still running through this hair. I'm gonna try to brush through it. See? Smooth, no issues here. Still able to run the brush through it, no problems, no snags. Still very wavy, still very flowy. So now for my second test is the heat. How much heat can this withstand? Now the guide says it can go up to 400. So I put it up to 400 just to see if it would melt the hair. If you've ever accidentally put a hot iron to synthetic hair, it does melt automatically. This did not melt, and it did take the curl that I was trying to put in there, so satisfied, can't complain. So let's see what this wig looks like on top of my head. Let's give it a minute here. Boom. So first impression, it fits my head. That's number one. Before you cut the lace of a synthetic wig, put it on your head, make sure it fits, because once you cut it, you cannot return it or exchange it. So I'm satisfied with the fit. How do you guys think this wig looks on me? Do you think the color works? Is it too small for my head? Does it look too small? Because it fits, but let me know in the comments. So this is me experimenting with color. I usually just do black, but I just had to get this hair because it looks so pretty in the pictures. So this is what it looks like on my head. So now We're gonna cut off the lace so we can really see how it looks on my head, really see how it frames the face. So this isn't a tutorial, so I'm gonna go through this fairly quickly. I'm just cutting the lace, moving the hair out of the way, keeping it simple. I do want to add that after this hair was wet, I did not have to blow dry. I did not have to recurl it or do anything to get this wave back. Again, that's what I love about synthetic hair. You wet it, you wash it, you dry it, it looks the same way. So this is the wig on my head with the lace cut. Very satisfied. I love the color. It fits my head perfectly. I did not lay my edges or bring any baby hairs out because I just want you guys to see how the wig looks in its most basic form. So if you get this wig and you just want to throw it on and go, this is what it's going to look like on your head. So soft, very bouncy. Yes, tuck the braids, sis. We all see it. So that's the end of this video, guys. I hope it helps you make an informed purchase. If you end up getting this hair, leave a comment, let me know. I loved it. I want to know if everyone else does as well. If you would like to see how I went from this to this, then boo boo. You need to check out my next video, how to make your own V-part wig. You do not need to be spending hundreds on these wigs. Let me help. Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe for more content. Have a wonderful day.